Trying to go zero waste? Here are 5 things you can do to start this journey. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for your dose of minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. These items are usually packaged in styrofoam or plastic and come at a high markup just to have these items pre-sliced or chopped. I haven't bought these light bulbs in a really long time, and when we first moved into our home almost 4 years ago, we replaced all the original light bulbs with LED ones, which just last forever. I started using less and less just to finish off what I had, and only recently stopped using fabric softener. Many consider it an essential part of the laundry process. And in 2013, there was a whopping $10.8 billion market, and it only seems to be growing with time. Conventional fabric softeners have been associated with human and environmental health concerns. Fabric softener could actually damage clothes and towels over time. It essentially applies a thin waxy coating to your laundry and has to be water resistant in order to survive the washing process. The waterproof coating makes your clothes feel softer, but lessens the ability to properly absorb water and laundry detergent. This means your clothes won't respond well to being washed and will be more likely to lock in bad odors. It can also make your towels less absorbent over time. Studies have found that liquid fabric softeners make fabrics more flammable, which no one wants. One of the biggest issues with fabric softeners is that they contain fragrances, and the ingredients of fragrances don't necessarily have to get disclosed. So we don't know what exactly is in the product, and there's the potential that it can contain toxic ingredients. The ingredient used to combat static has been known to cause skin and respiratory irritation, with an increase in asthma in those professionals who are regularly exposed to fabric softeners. This compound doesn't easily biodegrade and can be toxic to aquatic organisms. This is obviously extra worrisome, since as a laundry detergent product, they go directly into our water systems. So ditch the fabric softener. I haven't bought my own since I left home at 18. That's almost 15 years. Air fresheners can emit over 100 different chemicals, including volatile and semi-volatile compounds. One of the primary health concerns that health experts have about plug-in air fresheners is their widespread use of phthalates and that it can cause allergic symptoms and asthma. As someone with both, I stay away from anything that does not smell like normal air. If you'd like to make your own air freshener, all you need are 3 ingredients: baking soda, water, and essential oil. I think I've only ever bought 1 can. You can replace this with a bar of soap. Using a water or foam-based cleanser eliminates the need for cotton pads in your beauty regimen. This also helps reduce the damage from pulling and tugging at the skin when trying to remove the makeup and dirt build-up from the day, as opposed to a foam or water-based cleanser, which you can use with your fingers gently gliding over your skin. Cotton may be a renewable resource, but it requires huge amounts of water and high levels of pesticides and fertilizers to grow. Yet the fast fashion and beauty industries seem to view it as a disposable resource and something that is perfectly acceptable to use and then throw away. If you're currently using cotton pads, please do not flush those down the toilet. These can cause issues in the sewer system called fatbergs, which I mentioned in my video about 5 things you didn't know contain plastic. Not to mention the water wastage, and depending on the type of toilet, can use between 3 and 11 liters of water per flush. I hope this was of interest to you and that this video was informative in some way. Until next time, be the change you want to see.